This is how to put cheap ass underglow in a Nissan Skyline. So the name brand of this is Corjo. Got them on Amazon for 70 bucks. I'll leave a link down if you want to check it out. No idea how these are. I didn't really research them at all before. So the fuse I'm using is the third one from the bottom left. It's a 10 amp. This one right here is for the hazards. Right from the battery, so the ignition and the accessories does not have to be on for it to work. That way I can run it with the car off. The kit comes with this adapter for the cigarette lighter. It's got a switch on the top, just pretty convenient, but this isn't how I want to do it. This is the passenger side laid out. You have the rear lights, a strip for the side, and a strip for the front. The front has the connector. Hooks up to one of these, goes to the receiver and the control box, positive and negative. They come with this double-sided tape on the back, just for mounting up. So I'm going underneath, clean up the areas that I want to stick it to. So this double-sided tape is awful. Kind of zip tied up right now. The tape worked okay here. I have one zip tie holding it up. I'll have to go get my drill. I left it at home. I'm still gonna wire it up and see if it works. But I went home and got my drill. That's charging. So now I'm gonna start on the wiring. Figured out where I'm gonna mount these. I'll show you that when I'm done. Extend these lines to run it through the firewall into the cab. Time to test it. Spent like the last 10 minutes trying to figure out why these lights won't come on. Forgot to plug these in. I mounted the controllers in here on the inside of the front bumper. Got the wires running through the firewall. Mounted on the front, got the wires ran, attached to the frame. These are the mounting brackets. The tape kind of stuck on this side. It didn't stick at all on the other side. This is where I have it on the back, just to the bottom of the gas tank. So for a quick rundown of the wiring, I have a fuse tap into the 10 amp hazard lights. This is how the lights are getting power. I have the ground wire, haven't tucked it up yet, but it's run through to this switch right here. This kit is awful. The stuff they supply to mount it with is terrible. Screws that strip. These things break. I think it looks really cool. Haven't tried it with the lights off. I'm gonna close the door in a few minutes. The app is nice. You can make it flash. You can adjust the brightness, colors. The wiring was super easy. That was by far the easiest part. Mounting it was a nightmare. This kit is only partially at fault for it being a nightmare to mount. The car is pretty dirty. It's just old. The mounting brackets, awful. Zip ties, terrible. I ain't never doing this again. I don't want anyone asking me to do it. I don't want anyone asking me for help. It's not gonna happen. This was miserable. It looks cool. Buy a better kit. Don't buy this kit. Spend the extra money. The Diode Dynamics one was only a couple $100. Was it worth saving the 150, 200 bucks? Maybe, I don't know. This was terrible. If you decide to do it, good luck. That's all I gotta say. So let me turn the lights off, shut the garage door, see what it looks like.